Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth headphones connected but no sound. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Remove and reconnect already connected devices. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Bluetooth headphones, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements. Click Advanced tab, uncheck all exclusive mode. Change default format and test one by one, select best one. Turn off spatial sound. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.